The hardware tool accessories for a die polisher set are precision-engineered attachments that enhance the performance, accuracy, and versatility of die polishers in industrial, automotive, and fabrication settings. Crafted from durable materials such as high-grade steel, wool, rubber, and abrasive compounds, these accessories are designed to withstand continuous use while maintaining consistent results. They come in various shapes and textures, including polishing wheels, abrasive cones, felt bobs, and grinding stones, each tailored for specific polishing or finishing tasks. These attachments allow users to reach tight corners, intricate contours, and uneven surfaces with ease, ensuring smooth and mirror-like finishes on metal, plastic, mold cavities, and engine components. Whether used for rust removal, deburring, smoothing weld seams, or surface restoration, die polisher accessories provide unmatched precision and efficiency for both professionals and DIY users. Beyond their functional variety, these accessories play a vital role in improving workflow productivity and finish quality. Their compatibility with pneumatic or electric die polishers enables effortless tool changes and consistent rotation speeds, ensuring minimal vibration and maximum control during operation. With the right accessory set, users can easily transition from coarse grinding to fine buffing, without compromising on performance or surface integrity. This makes them essential in maintenance workshops, mold polishing, jewelry crafting, and automotive detailing applications. Each accessory is built to deliver long-lasting reliability, offering exceptional balance, wear resistance, and stability even under heavy use. In essence, hardware tool accessories for die polishers combine innovation and endurance, empowering users to achieve professional-grade results with precision, speed, and confidence.